Hi, today's video I'm going to show you how to reset a oil change light, a service light on Mazda 6. This one is 2018. Okay, and start with turn this button on, ignition on. Okay, and the message will appear on the right hand side of the dash, oil change due. Right, to reset this message we need to middle of console, this big button, you need to select the application, press the enter button, scroll down to vehicle status, scroll down to maintenance. Okay, then scroll down to oil change. This one showing a 0 mileage. Okay, now need to scroll down to reset, press enter. Are you sure you want to reset oil change? Reset, press yes. Has been changed. Okay, turn the ignition off, turn back on.